Hello, viewer. You might remember that this had quite a lot of metalwork gracing the floor and filling up this area. Well, we've had 2 loads go to the recycling, and this is the second load. So this goes off to the recycling place. They pay us not very much money, might cover the cost of the rental of the van if we're lucky. And then I'll come back with the van and do wood, this lot, and more wood, that lot. And there's also the burnt out shed around the back, and I'll do that after lunch. There we go. After lunch, I arrived at the metal recycling yard before they'd opened, and they've just opened the gates, and that truck in front of me is going to go in and park up somewhere on the left there. Me, I'm going to drive forward and head for the weighbridge. The weighbridge is where the red arrow is there. And here I am on the weighbridge. Plan is that they weigh the full truck on the way in, then they tip the load, or I tip the load, then they weigh it again on the way out, deduct one from the other, and that's the amount of scrap that I've left with them. So I'm about to tip all of the stuff behind that yellow truck. That's it. Back to the farm. Hello, viewer. To work. All of this wood from the burnt out shed needs to go in the back of the truck and off to the déchetterie, the dump. So that's what I'm going to do now. Everywhere I walk, there's ivy or brambles trying to trip me up. No, I'm whacked. I'm going to take this lot to the dump and then think about whether to do the rest before I give the van back. See you in a bit.